Ever caught yourself thinking, I'm not good enough. I'll probably fail anyway. That inner voice, the one no one hears but you. It's not just whispering. It's shouting, every single day. And worse, it sounds like you. What if your inner voice is your biggest bully? Most people think their inner critic is just being realistic. But in reality, it's a toxic narrative shaped by years of criticism, fear, failure, and endless comparison, especially in the social media era. Every time you scroll past someone with a perfect life on Instagram, your inner voice whispers, why aren't you like them? Or when you fail at something, see, you never had it in you. This isn't just annoying, it's destructive. It ruins confidence, it kills momentum, and it makes you live someone else's life, not yours. According to neuroscience, your brain forms automatic negative thoughts, ANTs, loops that get stronger the more you listen. These patterns often start in childhood, a critical parent, a harsh teacher, or bullying, and become your default internal script. But here's the twist. That voice, it's not you. It's a recording you can rewrite. These days, we keep seeing trends like being that girl, the one who wakes up at 5 a.m., works out, drinks green smoothies, journals, or hustle culture, where you're expected to work non-stop to be successful. And then there's the whole glow-up thing, where people show off their transformation, as if who they were before wasn't enough. Seeing all this over and over can make you feel like you're falling behind. It messes with your head. You start comparing. You feel anxious. And that little voice inside, it gets louder and meaner. Social media trends keep changing, but that habit of judging yourself, that sticks, like a virus in your thoughts. Here's how to rewrite that voice. Name it. Don't say, I'm failing. Say, that's my critic talking. Separate the voice from your identity. Use the best friend test. Would you talk to your best friend the way you talk to yourself? If not, change it. Rewire with pattern interrupts. When a cruel thought shows up, say something out loud.
Cancel that, I'm learning.
Start mirror talk. Yes, literally. 60 seconds a day. I am growing. I deserve good things. I'm not my mistakes. Curate your feed. Follow creators that lift your energy, not drain it. You're not broken. You're becoming. Change starts when you take control of that voice. If this hit home, don't scroll past it. Like, comment, I choose growth, and share this with someone silently battling their own inner critic. Subscribe for more mental rewiring content, one video at a time, because you deserve to hear a voice that believes in you.